Hey Shells, it's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. It's the same day that I've ended the other vlog. I have been feeling like I want a change. Mama, sit down to sit for this. I'm retiring the blonde because I'm not feeling it anymore. It's not that I don't like the color. I love the blonde hair. I love the blonde on me, top tier, but I want something new. And right now this is not giving. I'm literally going to cut some of it off right now, and then I'm going to look for my hair dye. Yeah, if I don't find my hair dye, I'm gonna go to Fontana to buy a hair dye. I can't do it. I can't do it anymore. My hair is completely just not cooperating. It is dry, and when I say dry, I mean drier than my head. They cannot find it. And the Scotch Brite are like twinsies right now. And the thing is, I don't want anybody asking me why don't you deep condition it, because let me tell you the process. Cut it, I bleach it again, right? It starts growing out within a week. So then I cut the ends off, and then I bleach the roots so it can match the rest of the hair, and the process continues. If I was to deep condition it, it wouldn't make sense, because I cut my hair every 3 weeks to a month, and the hair that I'd be deep conditioning would be cut off. So it's not like it's something that I'm doing over time to keep the hair healthy. It's being cut off. So every time I cut it off, I fry what's left on my head, and then I bleach it again, cut that off, let's say I deep condition, I'm just gonna cut it off. It just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. If my hair was longer, yeah, because then I would be treating the hair that's already on my head. Why would I treat hair that I'm about to cut off the very next week or the next 2 weeks? It doesn't make sense, and it doesn't do anything for my hair. I'm wasting products. With that being said, I'm not gonna do that. Not gonna do that anymore. I'm gonna do a different color. I know what color I'm doing already, and I also know what I'm gonna do with my hair, but I'll leave that as a surprise for you guys. But for right now, I'm gonna look for my scissors and cut it, because I'm mad. I'm really going nuts because I feel like I don't feel good because I don't look good, and I want to look good. I want to look like that girl. I can't continue like this. I can't continue like this because I have so much potential to be the baddie that I am destined to be. So I need to channel her. I really need to channel her. This is not okay. I need to stop. Be so comfortable coming on the internet looking crazy. I need to stop it. I know it relatable and whatever, but good God, man, every time I go on a vlog for Shelby, she look back down. Come on, we gotta start caring. I know I care, and I know that I don't really care about a lot of things in life, but I want to care. I want to care. So this is me putting in the effort. This is me putting in the effort to care about my hair. So, as usual, I don't know why every time you take up the camera in a fall, or there's some noise in the background. I don't know, child. I don't know. So, yeah, I'm gonna look for my scissors. I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I think if you know me, and if you watch my YouTube lives or my Instagram lives, mostly YouTube lives, y'all know this dress. This is the hair dress. This is whenever I bleach my hair, dye my hair, whatever I'm doing to my hair, this is the dress I'm gonna put on because I refuse to ruin any of my other clothes. So if y'all are tired of seeing this as a blue dress, I'm so sorry. I don't care because I will continue to wear it. I may or may not talk about a few things while I do this video, but I figured why not just show you guys the process. I am using Cream of Nature. I'm not gonna show you guys the color just yet. I don't really want to show you guys the color yet. I'll just let y'all watch and see what's going on. I go for my scissors because I need to cut the top off of this. The lighting in the bathroom is really not the best. I wish it was so much better. I've done this so many times, but I just always feel like I need to read the instructions again. So it just says part my hair into 4 equal sections. So I gotta cut this off first, then pour this into that. The thing is, I don't want to use the whole thing because I don't think I need the whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is put it in this applicator thing and save some of it, because I know that once I mix the two, I can't keep it anymore, because this is not supposed to, the mixture is not supposed to stay closed or else the bottle is going to burst. Anyways, just gonna put some of that in here. Put this in there. I feel like this might not turn out well because I'm not doing it properly. Just gonna mix. We're just gonna put it all in there, to be very honest. Before you reach any further, just tell me in the comments what color you think I'm dyeing my hair, and then I'll tell you if you're correct. Just know that it might not be what it seems. So there's that. I kind of don't know my direction as it relates to YouTube, because this many y'all will say y'all want vlogs, but then when I sit and edit the vlogs, y'all don't be watching them. Why is that? Are my vlogs not interesting? Please let me know if I am not giving you the vlog content you would like, or tell me what type of content y'all actually want to see in the vlogs, because as much as I like doing stuff, or I like putting up stuff that I like, I also want you guys to enjoy it. So, and all the time I post things what I like, but at the same time, and all the time I post things where me alone want to see. You understand? Like, cause I want to appeal to my audience, and sometimes I feel like I don't know my audience, or I don't know my niche. My collabs do pretty well, but this is not a collab channel, and I don't want everything to be, you know, collabs, because I'm more than that. It's my channel at the end of the day. I understand, I like doing collabs, of course, because I do collabs with people I actually like. I'm never going to do a collab with somebody I don't like, or I'm never going to do a collab just for views. Like, I actually do collabs because I feel like that person is best suited for that video. I feel like this is going to be so patchy and I'm a little bit nervous. I am very nervous actually. And apart from, you know, wanting to know what you guys want to see on the channel, I've spoken about this in my visual diaries, you know, where I said I feel like I'm not like taking care of myself like I should. I still feel that way, and I feel like this is the start of like a new era. Wow, this battery is dying. I don't even know if the battery is doing properly. I'm not over here. I'm going to just finish this and I'm gonna come back. Good morning. It is a couple days later. I'm not even gonna lie. I actually didn't cut my hair. I did dye it though, and I'm not ready to reveal that yet. I'll reveal it. I don't even know if I can keep this a secret for too much longer, but I'm gonna wear a wig today because my hair is not done. And I am finally going to get my lashes done after weeks upon weeks, you know, obstacles getting in the way, all that type of stuff. Today is the day where I get these babies done. I'm excited because I want to be a hot girl, okay? I want to be a hot girl, and I'm considering getting my nails done. My toes need to be done, but I feel like I'm gonna do that myself, because I mean, I always do that myself. I just can't do my nails myself. So I think after I do my nails, I'll come back and do my toes. I was kind of giving my toes a break from the gel polish because God knows it's tearing my toes up, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to stop it, but I can't go out looking like this. I can't do it. So I'm gonna get ready. It is now 10:18. My lash appointment is at 11, so I'm going to take a shower and just head down there. Rather me early than late. I really just want to get these lashes done. I kind of want a cat eye. I don't know if I want a hybrid set or if I want a volume set. Last time I did when she did the volume, I was taken away. I never knew that I would have liked volume. Coming from a classic girl, and then, you know, I slowly stepped into the hybrids. I thought hybrids would have been my thing because volume just seems so extra from a hybrid. But then when I got the volume, I understand. I understand now. I understand. But I don't really, I don't know. I just don't know if I really want volume right now. But we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna take some pictures of some lashes that I like, show them to her, and she just work her magic, you know. Me just make sure do what she do, and you know, yeah. So of course I'm gonna be putting on a wig. I don't know if that wig video will be up by the time this is up, but I have a curly bob. This is what I'll be wearing today. My boyfriend hates that wig, but I love it, so I will be wearing it. When I get to the nail tech, the lash tech, I'm gonna call and see if I can get my nails done, because I really want to get my nails done. I feel like going to Tootsie's today because I want to sip on some wine or sip on some whatever else they got up there. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and I'll be back. Alright, so this is what I'm looking like. I feel like I like it more when I have on makeup, but I'm sure when I do my lashes I will feel it more. It's like a weird showing my outfit, but I don't want to show them my room because my room is very, very dirty, so I have to angle it. So this is pretty much the fit. Just this bodysuit, my jeans. Yeah, I'm waiting on my cab because I called it already. I put on some rings, and yeah, this is the bag I'm going to be carrying. Don't ask me if it real or fake. I don't know. My sister gave me it when we were 10, so I don't know. And you know, of course, I'm putting on my dossier because I'm always in my dossier. This is the scent I'm putting on today. It's the floral lavender. I think it's the dupe for YSL Black Opium, I think. I don't remember. Whatever, it smells good. Don't forget to spray on your hand. I don't know, is that like a country thing, like to spray it on your hand? So I'm gonna put my money and my stuff in my bag. I need more change. Oh, thank God, because I don't know if I had enough change. I like to have change when I'm taking taxis because then money. Let me do a lippy, a little brown lippy. Oh my God, is he here? All I do is take my eyeliner, just like that, and then I put the gloss on top. And that's about it. I don't really do too much. I don't probably feel like I look like a madwoman right now. It's whatever. At this point, I can't bother. I've tried. I'm gonna try. I'm just like a fling on my Bridget because why not? Yeah. I will see you when I get to Lash Tech. I'm good by the last thing. Sure. So guys, we're gonna go from this to better. Let's just say that. challenge because it literally took me 20 minutes to get a taxi. I should have been at the music from 2 o'clock. And now this taxi don't call back, so me have to go outside and wait for it.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. In my mind I'm packing back and I'm station. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it all like this. I wanted to save this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for but it just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. It's you.
So guys, that is it for today's vlog. That's it for this maintenance vlog. My battery's dying, so I really have to hurry up and wrap up this vlog. But yeah, I didn't get to show you guys my hair because it's not finished, and what I want to do to it, I might have to see a hairdresser, so I'm gonna review that in another vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video.